Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a Miles Morales Squishmallow. So first let's get started with the shape of the body. So on the top in the middle, we're going to curve this around and then out in a diagonal towards the left. Let's start back on the top now, and we're going to curve this around and then down on the right. Now on the left hand side, starting back on this line here, we're going to bring this line around and then in towards the bottom. And then we're going to start back on the line on the right hand side, just replicating that, bringing that around and then in, ending that at roughly the same height. Now from here on the bottom, we're going to close this off by curving this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same thing as we move down and across on the right. Now we're going to draw in the center of the body. So we're going to curve this line over on both sides, lining that up at the same height. From here now, we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line that comes down. Again, ending that at roughly the same height. We're going to leave a small gap, and then we're going to curve this line in towards the middle. And then again, we're just going to leave a small gap in the center. As we come down underneath now, we're going to draw in another straight line that comes in towards the middle. And then from here on the corner, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. Coming up in the center now, let's draw in the Spider-Man symbol. So on the top, we're going to draw in a small arch line from left to right. On the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line out and then in, and then we'll do the same thing on the right. Following that pattern, we're going to bring this line out, back in. Now from here, moving further across, bringing this line out and then up. And then now from that corner, we're going to bring this line out and then in. Now we're going to come in towards the middle, drawing in a small curved line, bringing that up on the right. We're going to draw in two small straight lines that come out on both sides. And then we're just going to close this off again with another arch line right in the center. Let's move further out again, bringing this line around and then up on the side. We're going to bring this line down for the legs on both sides. And then again, just curving this line out and then in. Now from here, we're going to bring this line out and then further down towards the bottom. And then from that corner, just curving this line up and then back in. Now let's move up and draw in the eyes. So in the center, coming over on the right, starting in the corner, we're going to curve this line up and then over on the right. And then lining this up at the same height, we're going to do that on the left-hand side, curving this line out and then across. Now from the top, we're just going to curve this line up slightly towards the top of the head. Now closing off the bottom of the eye on the right-hand side from that corner, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then we'll replicate this on the left-hand side as well. And then now from here on the top, we're going to bring this line around, curving it on a diagonal. And then again, starting back on this line, just arching this line around and then in towards the bottom. Now in the corner in the center, we're going to arch this line up and then out. And then on the bottom from that corner, just curving this line back around and then in on the top. Now let's draw in all of the webs. So in the center, we're going to draw in a small sideways oval. On the side, we're going to draw in a small triangle. On the top, 2 more small diagonal lines that come in towards the middle. Now as we come in towards the center, on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this straight line all the way up towards the top. We'll do the same thing over on the right. Now on both sides, we're going to curve this line over and out, leaving a gap beside the eye. And then just drawing in another diagonal line that comes in towards the top. Now we're going to leave a small gap, drawing in another diagonal line on the top, following that line. In the middle, we're going to draw in 2 more straight lines coming up. And then from that corner, just curving this line over and then out. Now coming down, drawing in another diagonal line that comes in. And then from that corner, bringing this line down towards the top of our eye. As we come down on both sides, we're going to draw in 2 small diagonal lines coming across. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line on both sides coming down. We're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. Now coming down in the middle, leaving a small gap, we're going to draw in 2 more straight lines that come down. And then again, leaving another gap, just replicating that. We're going to come directly down in towards the bottom, bringing this straight line up on both sides. Now from here on the side, we're going to bring this diagonal line out. And then we're going to move over on the left, lining that up at the same height and replicating that. Again, leaving a gap, we're going to come up, bringing this diagonal line in towards the top. And then now from here, we're just going to close this off by curving these lines over. Let's move down, replicating that. Now as we come in towards the top again, we're going to draw in another small diagonal line that comes in. And then we're just going to close this off by bringing the diagonal line out towards our eye on the top and bottom. Now coming over to the right underneath the eye, we're going to draw in 2 more diagonal lines that come down. And then we'll do the same thing as we move up on the left. Now from here in the middle, we're going to close this off, curving this in. Let's come back down, drawing in a small diagonal line out towards the corner. On the side of the eye now, we're going to draw in 2 straight lines that come across. We're going to bring in a small diagonal line that comes in towards the top from that corner. And then back up again, just drawing in another diagonal line that comes down towards the side of our page. Now from the top here, we're going to curve this line in. Moving down, drawing in another diagonal line that comes out. And then now from here, we're just going to curve this line down, closing that off. And then lastly, in the middle, just 2 small diagonal lines closing out the top. And that is it. That's how you draw a Miles Morales Squishmallow. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.